In this tutorial, I'll show you how to reset Microsoft Word settings back to their default state. This is especially helpful if Word is behaving strangely, settings have changed unexpectedly, or features are not working the way they should. Before doing anything else, make sure Microsoft Word is completely closed, because this process cannot be done while the program is running. Once Word is closed, go down to the bottom of your screen and open the Windows search bar. Type Registry Editor and press Enter. When the Windows security prompt appears, click Yes to allow access. This will open the Registry Editor, where system and application settings are stored. Inside the Registry Editor, locate HKey Current User on the left side. Click the arrow next to it to expand the folder. Continue expanding folders by clicking the arrows until you find Software. Expand it, then scroll down until you see the Microsoft folder. Click the arrow beside it to expand the contents. Next, scroll down and find the Office folder. Expand it, then look for the folder labeled 16.0, which represents the version of Microsoft Office commonly used in recent releases. Click the arrow to expand it, and then locate the Word folder inside. Once you see the Word folder, right-click on it and select Delete. A confirmation message will appear asking if you're sure you want to delete this key. Click Yes to confirm. This removes Word's customized settings and restores them to default the next time Word is opened. After deleting the Word registry key, close the Registry Editor completely. Now reopen Microsoft Word. When Word starts, it will automatically recreate the necessary registry entries using default settings, effectively resetting the application. And that's it. Microsoft Word should now be reset to its original default configuration and ready to use again. If you think this video is helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell.